What you're seeing are time trials for installation of two product solutions for the perpendicular gap closure at the intersection of partitions to curtain wall, whether fixing the glass or the mullion. We're doing the comparison to understand labor speed, which impacts labor costs and potential savings when we compare the two different product solutions at the gap closure. As you can see, the Gordon Mullion Mate and Window Mate product solution can have a significant effect on labor and labor cost, and is the product solution for partition to curtain wall gap closure.